We are here in Bangkok. Oh, I'm getting a headache just looking at that sign. There's Minnie working her phone.
I'm not working one.
You're not working your phone? Okay. All right. IKEA is here. Take a look at that. The Bangkok IKEA store. That's amazing. There's the honey guest house. If you have the money, we have the honey. The Holiday Inn Sukhumvit Road is here. Sukhumvit 22. Hey, what does that mean anyway? They sell Thai electric cars. The old Citibank building. They kept the main colors though. I'm at home. Oh, check this place out, the IKEA building. Are you hungry? Chinese New Year is coming. Laurie's Krispy Kreme is here in Thailand. Whoa, welcome to Thailand.